the Hamer 540. Today, we're going to learn how to adjust what they call the top perforator. See right here, you have the normal side cut. And what we want, there should be little lines here where they start the cut right here. And you can actually see it's over here. And we want it to be right here so we get a good cut all across here when the bags rip apart at the end there. You want a good cut. And so you need this perforator. We call it a top perforator, which is right here. It's hard to see on camera. We want to get it over here. So we go up over here. This is the perforator one. We got to move this. And it doesn't want to move. And we move it over there. We close this up. Now with this one, you're going to have to jog it. This is the jog button, okay? And if you don't have it in hand, you want to put them both in hand, like this. Now you press bag jog. Okay, it's going to take a while, 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, maybe 5. I lied, it's 5. Oh, you can see it right there. Can you see it? Can you see it? Can you see it? Probably not, but it's there, trust me. It's right in the middle there. That's how you adjust the top perforator. Okay, that's this one on the far right here. And again, if I go inside, woo-wee, you see it right there. And you can see there's like these, well, you can't see through the camera, I guess, but there's these little metal sort of blade that sort of sticks the top of the plastic to create the start of a cut. So when it rips apart, right up here, when it rips apart, you get a good rip. Okay, right here you can see that the perforator's out, and that's what you get at the top. It doesn't look good. It makes it hard for the seal to be good. Don't stick your fingers close like I just did, because it hurts when you get them stuck in this belt. It hurts a lot. And there's enough force that might be able to rip your finger off, so you gotta be careful. They call me many things. Ernie's the owner. I'm the Iceman. Together, we're Ernie Iceman, and this is Columbia Ice. Subscribe to our videos, and if you need ice in Edmonton, Alberta, give us a shout.